I deeply appreciate the overwhelming solidarity expressed by many during these past 100 days behind the bars. At times, news of such solidarity has given me immense strength and courage, especially when the only certain in prison is uncertainty. Life here is on a day to day basis. On the other hand, we 16 co accused have not been able to meet each other despite being in the same jail. But we will sing in the chorus. A caged bird can still sing.
One day, he asked for a pant and shirt in jail. I knew it was not for him. He would never ask for a material need. When I probed, he confessed it was for a fellow inmate who was poor and didn't have money to afford clothes. That defines Father Stan Swami. Stan is a simple and selfless man. He didn't need or care for material needs like clothes or money. He would never make any complaints about himself.
I have been there twice. I am not for being hospitalized in JJ Hospital. It will not improve. It will keep going. I would rather die here very shortly if things go on as it is. 8 months ago, I would eat by myself, do some writing, and walk. I could take a bath by myself, but all these are disappearing one after another. So Taloja jail has brought me to a situation where I can neither write nor go for a walk by myself. Someone has to feed me. In other words, I am requesting you to consider why and how this deterioration of myself happened. My deterioration is more powerful than the small tablets that they give me.
It is beyond comprehension why a veteran tribal rights activist with multiple ailments must be compelled to suffer in this manner at his age on charges that are yet to stand scrutiny in court. He has already spent 9 months in custody and there is little hope of early conclusion of the trial. In this case registered in 2018, we believe an octogenarian ought not to be punished with incarceration that is inhuman and unnecessary.
Presumption of innocence is a fundamental tenet of our criminal jurisprudence and is a human right. In any event, when such a harsh conditions are imposed in respect of grant of bail, even before the trial is conducted, the same inverts on its head the presumption of innocence. I can register the last bit of my resistance by going to jail, so that I can be satisfied that I have justly stood for the cause that I have been fighting for. I have already lived my life.
We are truthful, unafraid, and independent because of you. Now you can help our reporting from the ground. Go to thequint.com, click Become a Member tab, choose a plan, and pay. Because the truth is worth it.